Hey everybody, Dr. John Caponio. I'm your Bay Area chiropractor. We're in Pleasant Hill, California, and we're here with my brother-in-law Adam, and it's his first time getting his ring dinger adjustment today. Now he has always had some back problems. Why don't you tell us a little bit about that?
Well, I'm a mobile DJ, so I'm carrying a whole bunch of heavy stuff, speakers, tables, and setup and break down and set up. So on occasion my back will go out and it's painful.
Yeah, he had a call out of work sometimes too.
Yeah, a couple times.
So he's excited about this. I'm excited to give him his first adjustment. You guys are going to be getting a POV view also. So it's not too bad. You're pulling up a little bit on the right compared to left. Then we bend. Oh wow. You drop on the left. You excited for the ring dinger adjustment?
I am. I'm going to sleep to the videos.
Nice. Get you loosened up here. There you go. Relax that down. There we go. We're gonna do some drops. Nice. Whoa. There you go. Can't hide those. Keep your teeth together so you don't bite your tongue. Take a nice breath in. Let your spine unwind all the way.
Oh my God.
Let your spine unwind all the way.
Oh my God.
How's that?
Oh, great.
You feel it all the way down?
Yeah, all the way.
Nice. Oh my goodness.
That's crazy.
All right, now so your legs down.
Oh man.
How was it?
That was crazy.
Yeah?
All the way.
Nice.
All the way to my butt.
We got your back, everybody.
All right.